Turquoise has been used for more than 7,000 years. Turquoise in China is known as the gem of heaven and the symbol of auspicious fortune. Turquoise in foreign countries is regarded as the birthstone of December, representing victory and success, and the blue turquoise is more known as the victory gem. The turquoise on Yungai Mountain is named Yungai Temple Turquoise by Yungai Temple on the top of the mountain. It is the origin of the world-famous Chinese turquoise carving artworks. It enjoys great fame in the industry and in the collection circle and sells well both at home and abroad. PD 394 turquoise is generally light blue, blue-green, green, light green, yellow-green, gray-green, pale and other colors. Under the sunlight or strong light, you can see the faint blue light. Turquoise is very uneven in texture, dark and light in color, often with light stripes, spots, and brown-black wire. The degree of compactness also varies greatly, with more pore being loose and less dense and hard. After polishing, it has a soft glass gloss to a waxy gloss. After polishing, high-quality products look like glazed porcelain, so they are called porcelainous turquoise. Turquoise daily wear or storage taboos. 1. Turquoise in wear or storage must not be with detergents and other chemical liquids. These chemical liquids will corrode turquoise, so in wear and storage must be away from chemical agents. Turquoise is a water-loving gemstone, very afraid of high temperature, because turquoise contains crystalline water. In the high-temperature environment or under the sun, it will make the water loss in turquoise, making the internal structure of turquoise unstable. If serious, it will also lead to turquoise cracking. Therefore, daily storage must be kept in a cool place. You can put a little mineral water in the turquoise bag. 3. Turquoise is a kind of jade with low hardness, so it should be worn and stored to avoid bumping. It also can't contact with the metal material. If touched, that part will become black, so try not to wear with gold and silver accessories. At the same time, because of the water absorption of turquoise, it is easy to be dyed, so with rosewood, diamond and other hand strings together, we must remember to separate cowhide or coconut shell, to prevent dyeing or knocking. How to clean turquoise. 1. Since the chemical properties of turquoise are unstable, do not use any solution that will change its chemical properties. Clear water is the best choice. Although turquoise absorbs water and changes color, it does not affect its appearance and internal structure. However, it should be noted that hot water should not be used for cleaning. Turquoise is sensitive to heat. 2. After clean water cleaning, because turquoise absorbs too much water, it is not easy to dry, but it cannot be placed in the sun. Then we can choose vents to dry, or wipe with a clean soft cloth. Wiping strength should not be too strong, otherwise, it will damage its wax. 3. Sometimes, clean water can't clean the surface of turquoise very well, so we can use neutral soap water. And do not use a soft brush to brush the turquoise surface, which will cause wax damage. After washing, rinse with clean water and wipe with a soft cloth.